Hello! Hello there! Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new, I'm Esther. I live in a tiny house with Phoebe, my pet bunny. And today we're gonna upcycle something. Transform something? Whatever. So my last video was me playing with the clothes I already owned, and I mentioned that I had thrifted some clothes. And one of those pieces is going to be in this week's video. It's a pants, and I mainly got it because of the print. Not because of the fit, because it's, you know, besides the print, I think it's a pretty ugly pants. I'm wearing it right now. It fits, but it's for the noises are Phoebe, my bunny. So, Phoebe, I'm filming. Can you please stop? I think she stopped. Let's hope. So yeah, I don't have exactly a plan, but I will show you the pants. So I'm gonna stand now. Okay, so first of all, like the fit here is, yeah, it fits, but it's not the most flattering. Oh, turn, look. I find it a bit too baggy. So I think I want to make it slightly more fitted, I think. But most of all, I have this disgusting detail with a old robe that it's discolored and it's just ugly. So this part definitely needs to go. And the great part is that if I want to have it fitted, I can very easily make this disappear, I think. So that's like the general idea. Let's start with cutting the ropes off, because those need to go. I'll start with just a pair of narcissus. I think I will get through it. Oh yeah, very easily. And gone. Yeah. Next. So that's the first step, mate. I don't know if you can see. I will stand here. Ah, yikes. See? Yeah, then it's good. So basically the idea is to do something like that. I don't know. It still needs to be movable because I kind of want to skate in this. So I guess pinning? Is that the first step? Think so. Think so. So pinning, and then sewing, and then cutting. In that order? I don't know. We will see. You will see. I don't know. Is this weird? Just let's get on to the video. Hi. So the pockets are not usable anymore because I did the right thing and got them out and sewn them back in. I just let them there, and now they're teeny tiny and not useful. And for the actual pants, I redid it 3 times because first I was dumb enough to pin it exactly to my body, and that way I couldn't get out of it. And then I put the pins exactly there where I put them when I was wearing them, and sewn it, and that way it was way too tight to move in, and also it didn't really go past my bum. And also for the bum part, you know, the seam on the back, it would be a nice thing to, you know, follow the outline of the first seam, because that way it will go a little bit more smooth and not have a weird bump in the back. So yeah, just do that, because that saves you a lot of time, you know, not constantly having to put a new seam in and then rip out the old seam. Cut off the extra fabric. and when sewing the waistband, I don't know what to make it look perfectly, because it's a little wonky where I did it, but I feel it's okay. It doesn't really show when you wear it, and I'll just wear a little bit more longer tops.